Now this is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. The value of tan pi by 4 is nothing but tan 45 degree, whose value is 1. So whenever you have other trigonometric function than, sine, cos and tan, you can replace it by using reciprocal. The sum of sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So welcome to the third session of the chapter Trigonometry. As I said in previous session, we will be starting from 2 marks question from this session. So let's start with 2 marks questions. The very first question is, prove that cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sine square b. So here all the type of question starts with the word prove that. So this you should take in the form of LHS and RHS. Take LHS, prove right hand side, or take RHS, prove your left hand side. Hence the result is proved. So let me take my LHS part here. So which is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, into this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now this is in the form of a minus b and this is a plus b. Now this is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. So therefore it is cos square a cos square b minus sin square a sin square b. Here I'll replace cos square b as 1 minus sin square b. Because sine square plus cos square is nothing but 1. If you want cos square, you can write it as 1 minus sine square. Similarly, here I'll replace sine square a as 1 minus cos square a into sine square b. Multiply with the remaining term. It is cos square a minus cos square a sine square b. And here it is minus sine square b minus into minus plus cos square a sin square b. So you can see minus cos square a sin square b plus cos square a sin square b get cancels. We are left with cos square a minus sin square b, which is your right hand side of the given trigonometric equation. Next one, prove that tan pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. We know tan in the form of a plus b. Let's use the formula of tan a plus b. So what is tan a plus b? Tan a plus b is nothing but tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So use this formula. Consider the left hand side. Tan of pi by 4 plus a, that is equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan a whole divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan a. The value of tan pi by 4 is nothing but tan 45 degree, whose value is 1. So here it is 1 plus tan a. And here if you substitute the value as 1, it becomes 1 minus tan a, which is the right hand side of the result. Next question, tan a is equal to 1 by 3, tan a plus b is equal to 1 by 7, find tan b. Use the formula of tan a plus b here. So tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now we have tan a plus b as 1 by 7, tan a as 1 by 3 plus tan b divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 tan b. Cross multiply the given equation. It is 1 minus 1 by 3 tan b is equal to 7 by 3 plus 7 tan B. So take the constants and tan function separately, then it is 7 tan B plus 1 by 3 tan B is equal to shift this. So it is again 1 minus 7 by 3. So now it is 21 tan B plus tan B whole divided by 3. Here it is 3 minus 7 by 3. So 22 tan B, you can cancel 3 on both sides, which is equal to minus 4, or tan B is equal to minus 4 by 22. When you cancel it, it is minus 2 by 11. Next question. Tan A is equal to 5 by 6, tan B is equal to 1 by 11. Show that A plus B is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degree. Let's apply the result of tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B whole divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Substitute the values now. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 11 whole divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. So therefore, it can be written as cross multiply or take LCM. Any method. 55 plus 6 divided by 66. Here it is 66 minus 5 divided by 66. We can cancel 66 on both sides. Now this is equal to 55 plus 6, which is 61, and 66 minus 5 is 61, which is equal to 1. So we got tan A plus B is equal to 1. So for what values the tan function becomes 1? So tan A plus B is 1 whenever the tan is 45 degree or pi by 4. So therefore, this implies A plus B is equal to 45 degree or pi by 4. Hence, we have proved. So apply the tan function formula, solve it, you will get the value of 1. We know tan function is 1 when it is tan 45 degree, or in radians it is pi by 4. So therefore, if tan A plus B is equal to tan 45, we have same functions on both sides. We can equate the values. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 45 degree or pi by 4. Next question. Prove that cos 2a 1 by secant a plus sin 2a by 1 by cosecant a is equal to cos a. So whenever you have other trigonometric function than sin, cos and tan, you can replace it by using reciprocal. So therefore, here consider the LHS. LHS is cos 2a. Secant a is in the denominator, but 1 by secant a can be written as cos a. Similarly, sin 2a is given and divided by cosecant a. Cosecant a can be written as sin a. So 1 by cosecant a is sin a. Now you can see this is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, whose value is cos of a minus b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is nothing but cos a minus b. So a is 2a, b is a. So the value is cos a. So which is the right hand side of the result. Next question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, tan a is 1, tan b is 2. Show that tan c is 3. So this, remember the important result whenever the angles of trigonometry are given. So we have a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, a plus b can be written as 180 minus c. Apply tan on both sides, then it is tan a plus b, which is equal to tan 180 minus c. We have learnt this. We can directly write tan a plus b as minus tan c, because in the second quadrant tan function is negative. Already we have learned tan a plus b can be written as minus tan c. So skipping this step, we can also write this directly. Now apply the formula of tan a plus b. It is tan a plus tan B whole divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, which is equal to minus tan C. Now we have tan A value as 1, tan B value as 2. So 1 minus again 1 into 2, which is equal to minus tan C. So we have 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus tan C. We have minus on both sides. So removing it, we get tan C is equal to 3, which is proved now. Next we have prove that cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Yes, the multiple angle formula, how we got it. So let consider the left hand side cos 3a. Write this as sum of cos 2a and a. Now this is in the form of cos a plus b. So cos a plus b means cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formula. So here a is 2a, b is a. Now cos 2a also can be replaced using one more formula. What is that formula? That is 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a. Sin 2a is also multiple angle whose value can be written as 2 sin a cos a, and outside here we have sin a. Remember, in the right hand side you have only the cos value. So anything you should replace it by cos value only. So then next 2 cos square a into cos a becomes 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Next here you have 2 sin square a into cos a, because sin into sin is cos. Again we are left with sin here, replace it with cos. How we are going to replace? 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a into cos a. Now multiply. So you will get 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Here you have minus 2 into 1, which is 2. 2 into cos a, you will get minus 2 cos a. You have minus 2 into minus, which become plus 2. Cos square a into cos a is cos cube a. Next you have 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a, which is 4 cos cube a. Minus cos a minus 2 cos a is minus 3 cos a. This is how we will get the formulas of multiple angles using the compound angles. So hence it is proved now. Next question. Prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here I will take the RHS part. So RHS is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So here replace tan by sin by cos. Then this becomes 2 sin a by cos a divided by 1 plus tan square a is nothing but sin square a by cos square a. Now solve the denominator part. Numerator it is same, 2 sin a by cos a whole divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Here what is cos square a plus sin square a? This value will be equal to 1. 1 cos a and 1 cos a get cancelled. So cos a goes to the numerator. We are left with 2 sin a cos a. And the value of this is equal to 1. So this is actually the formula for sin 2a. That is your left hand side of the required result. So in our next session, we'll continue the problems working on 2 marks question. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.